You can't send messages for 3 days. In today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix you can't send messages for 3 days on your Instagram. All what you wanna do is open the settings on your phone and go to the apps, open the apps manager, and now let's wait a few seconds. And after that, you have to scroll until you find Instagram. Click on it, click on this force stop, and now reopen Instagram. Go to your profile, go to the top corner, click on those three lines, go to the settings, open the help option, click on the report a problem, click on learn how to report, or you can just click here directly on report problem without checking. Now all what you want to do on this page is briefly explain what happened to you and then send them a photo from the gallery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much.